no na odi nkomo no kyerem na amanfo koka Galamsey ehun nsem ho no ma nana ya ojebi the National House of Chief President ekoka say Galamsey say ye my pa na ono ane nkrofo ene ne omo ye Galamsey ene ho nkoniaba na president ene obeti ye say tax force na ko Galamsey site omo ko ye no eye panyini bi anase ebia obi a owa aban mu afre wo mu ka kire wo mu so omunya honom afi so tax force no mo ko no amanfo so ahyase ye omo ho sede omo na eye omo kutia tax force no omo ma tax force ni nya adwuma nya omo adwuma sede o ya na ya free tax force omo nsan ye say obi ama say Joseph Yamin oye national organizer of the NDC and the third vice chairman Abanga Yakubu omudia ba be piepie ma nei mampanyina bo akiri akoma Yoko ama the attorney general edi akoma Yoko say Yoko hwehwe omu nsemu na the issue of Galamsey fighting no abey over the period that obia e kan ho asem na eno na mampanyini ba ya ote anti Galamsey tax force any encro ote the blue water guy and afi so the gold board tax force wo mu nyina e tax force enei the Hanabisu ono eye human organizer edema the National Democratic Congress NDC and then ono so kra no ateni ho asi abonte they are all in omuko Galamsey site omo chen krofo na eno na mampanyini edi nkomo ana all say nipa biara obe na dwene say ono obeye biribia edi etia Galamsey tax force for no yanchi om eno na ode to so all kasa ewo Western North region na o chire mu sei na all kasa President John Mahama orders arrest of person impersonating anti-Galamsey tax force. Enti nipa biara ono no why na won say me ye party ba ana ye ne ade aban ne baaye ye ne wo tumi ye ne ekuta tumi enti no saa na te ade tax force wa ne ba ye be ye ya say ye mo nye ye be mo ye mampanyina hyese saa nkrofo ne ye nche wom whether oye NDC ni oye NPP ni oye CPP ni oye sikani oye mampanyini dunya kora no mampanyini se nipa biara tax force for no obe na just say oha wo mu oye impersonation like oye no say oye tax force ni anase oni tax force for no twetwe aya no baba as o bribe wo mu so omunya mankrofo ntu Galamsey e wo Galamsey site bia no mampanyini se ye nche wo mu na Galamsey fight maka kire wo we are fighting Galamsey fight and na me ka se mi kire wo say na ya asase ni e wo se ye bon ho ban ni ti fight Galamsey na bibia akoso na maka kire dada say enei attorney general e de krata ba beto abonten na krata ba na attorney general de beto abonten yete ya na nkrofo bi a ya chi wo mo Galamsey site e be ka say tax force of wa omukọ Galamsey site ni we no omu esisi wo mu jiji omu sika ye niema bia hu ni mfaso e de tia wo mu na ni nyina no yewura Joseph Yamin oye the national organizer edema the NDC amanyoku no one the third vice chairman Abanga Yakubu ana wo mu na ehye omachi na omo ye saa ema Joseph Yamin ni Abanga Yakubu ba bonte be ka se enya no kore for a proactive measures of the side of the government the government through the attorney general three letter koma Yoko say Yoko nto ne bo ase na omo hwehwe nsem nim na omo hwe se ensem na ye kafa the national organizer and the third vice chairman ho no eye no kore ana na eno ene ne Yoko ede krata attorney general krata na ba beto abonte ye to ye bo ase na yakenkan na yadwudwam ede ama wahu anwumre na bibia so atibi akoso ye nti yadwudwam na bibia so atibi akoso ti letter no eto ha na yato ye bo ase adwudwam egigim ene da so no yedwudwam na wo so anya bi atie anya bi ahwe na bibia so atibi akono wahu de ekoso wo Ghana sese adwuma attorney general no ebo na afi so aban no ebo ede aboa se de be ye Galamsey nipa biara se de mampanyina ka no oben no se me ni aban ne na me ni aban ne bae eti Galamsey no me ko atia aban na so okotia Galamsey non be na adrese Galamsey on prema aban ne nkuntia na emum oni aban ne be di se de ese no aban no ahyese ye nkyerete nei the two party members are omo ye NDC amanyoku onim empanifo na omuti tintimai wa NDC amanyoku onim no ene aban na hye to the attorney general say Yoko any omu eni na say na en community letter ni I said the Republic of Ghana coat of arms ne boho baya. A dem say tim maya. A dem den. I say Office of the Attorney General and Minister for Justice. P.O. Box MB 60. Ministries Accra. Visitor address GA 1100507. And our face date 15th of July 2025. Also the Executive Director, Economic and Organized Crime Office, Yoko, number 18 Independence Avenue, Accra. Also dear Executive Director, Yedudrum now what you say, Tiway, what chere aqua koma Yoko and Pennyfor, the Attorney General and the Minister of Justice and I trade aqua koma womb. Say, Omohe, na in Yudramun, or say, directive to investigate allegations of illegal mining activities by named individuals. Or say, and sha yet your mamma say, Munya Shishemu and fa in Tansabi and Crofwalker, Efa Galamsey, two. I was Sani Paya, Yabubo Mudim. Munya San Shishemu, CCA, and fa Emma Yang. Attorney General etimi atre ede kose omunyenye san hwehwemuno and benimu ya emfa emma na entimi emwa yen ase oman. I say I write to direct your esteemed office to initiate investigation into suspected illegal mining activities being perpetrated by certain individuals within mining districts in the country. They are all party in or say Matra di abawo waso ye say nyabere na yen hwehwemu efa nkrofo bi a omu tu Galamsey omu mfa mra kwan so entu foma gudie na omu de mra omu nam kwampone so ana etu foma gudie ewo miamia ye tu foma gudie ewo manmu to boase nyabotere na hwehwe san nkrofo yinsemu emaye na yehunu se ampa nokre womu ensem na ensem a ye kafo mu no eye nokra na o se allegedly entino eye enkrofo na eka etito bo ase hwehwem aye ni ehun se ensem omu ka no so eye nokra sa se ampa se omu ye illegal mining ana and oto aso also this directive is born out of growing public concern collaborated by media reports and intelligence regarding the involvement of some citizens in unauthorized mining operations, generally called Galamsey. Or say, the aye chida browno, any the aye yano aye or man fuono, edo enu omushishem, any amount for no penny and someone amount for can media for the car. Any and some media for the day to about any de yakte, yakase intelligence are not just be yakte, yanyanti ye be say. Yaka intelligence are just say, yanya inti ye be say. And it's our intiana a binus wenyano. And all catcher yoko for say. Santi yanintino, woman share na encrophobia, yamma womu quine, na omunam a quam bonneso. Na enye mra kwanso etu foma gudie e wo Ghana ye friend Galamsey no onhwehwe wo munsemu. I said that are in blatant contravention of the provision of the Minerals and the Mining Act 2006 Act 703. I said sadie ni tia emra eda ho a ye di tu foma gudie e wo Ghana hanu say no emra no aye ye 2006 Emrani Act 703 sa emrano omatia na e wasa utia Ghana mra so a ye du ugina mra kwa so ye hwehwem ye hu se udifo a ye du ugina mra kwa so as amended by Act 995. These activities not only float out mining regulations but also gravely endanger our water bodies, forest reserve, and local livelihoods. Or say, Sabra na womu po. Any anamona womu tu. A kwamboni omonams to edit two from a goodiano. One, enye mranon kwano matia. Two, enye mranon kwano man niso. Nemum at the ohawa no ordene. Yakasa bibi gravely endangered. Just a hawa anu ordene. A hawa emu duru. A hawa a hawa emu of Ena ede ba enfama kwaw edi be say yensuo yensuo no ede say yensase a nyankopo ye jade ato because Galamsey now they are doing it in our water bodies and our water and our forest reserves. Yen kwaya odum nyankopo ndi ama yen ya ebo ye ho ban wo mo say no afomu wi omu wiye omu say yensuo na omu say yen kwaya no afei so esad ohawe mu odin ebre nipa ete wonum no abrabo etiene deformities are very higher. We have a lot of deformities and nipa bebre obekon yabewu obi na nani fani ho yabewu obi na nsani ho yabewu obi no na we did them all because of this act this actor ekoso this act ensua omonum mercury ne cyanide ya dey friends so because he mine gold. Ese aman for abrabo. And to atwere the akwa yuku. I say, as your office is aware, His Excellency the President has consistently reiterated his government's firm commitment to eradicate illegal mining and restore sanity to the natural resource governance regime in Ghana. I say, mo ya aware say man panyina se ne ho bo aka ne ho ntam say sa abrabo boni a ye bo a eye illegal mining e foma gudie tuo boni a ye mfa mra kwanso tu na ye mfa enkutura se e de katase hye as ayi emfikire ne katase hye tuo eno na man panyina die se opese otu ase na obo ye mfo ye ngudie ne ye niema ho ban e wo Ghana said ye man panyini na hye wo na ban mu empere dodo a ode betena ban mu no saa ene wa hye that man na ho ma me saa ene wa hye se ode betena ban mu no saa ene wa ye se obetu ase e de afiri wo o say in line with the natural stance the pursuant to your mandate under the Yoko Act 2010 Act 804, I am directing your office to investigate the following persons named in recent credible report for interrogation. Me show enam at emre bo yoko adwuma ne ho ban no a eye emra ye no 2010 emra no ukomu a ni nyina so no eye 804 ye jina so dia hye wo se na ya hye office ne se san krofo wei mu ye bebubo mu din na ye nyanteye na ya te na ensem ye te ni mu ye kroje na efi bia nimu no ese hwehwe wo mu nsem mu ye ka se credible source and a credible report. There, there's a be a credible. There's a ye emudaho. She should almost for interrogation. Next she should almost now, namely, Mr. Yakubu Abanga and Mr. Joseph Yamin. Additionally, you are to investigate any other person found to be complicit in this unlawful mining activity. Now, ose yate na yahu se enkrofo we mo yanya ensem mu da ho kire se they are omo eka Galamsey a ekoso former gudie tuo boni a ekoso o mai we mu no enipa ye bo mu din no a yanya omo edin abasese no Abanga Yakubu and afa Joseph Yamina or the national organizer of the NDC ɛna Abanga Yakubu a ɔyɛ the third vice chairman of the NDC sɛ hwehwɛ ɔmo nsɛm ɛnyɛ ɔmo nko a sɛ bo hwehwɛ ma nipa biara mo bɛhunu sɛ ɔno so ne ho nsɛm ne ho bɔ ɔmo bibia no mofa ne mɛgyina na kwan no hwehwɛ ne nsɛm mu ɛno ɛna ɔka ɔsɛ additionally complicit minor activity. The scope of this investigation should include the matter highlighting in the Professor Frimpong Boateng's report on illegal mining. And so, where is the Professor Frimpong Boateng Interministerial Committee report on illegal mining? And Attorney General say, Omawia, enye no kwa, but omunche say, and Sembia, Professor Frimpong Boateng, ne report or debatu abonten on illegal mining activities under His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo time. Yemfa saa nneɛma ni nyinaa mmara ne yɛnhwehwɛ mu bi. We should highlight them. Eti yɛnsan hwehwɛ yɛmmie so ne yɛnhwehwɛ mu biem. O highlight bibi ana sɛ ade wo sɛ yie pie. Eti yɛnyim pie ne yɛnsan hwehwɛ saa nsɛm nim biem. I told you enra me yi kyerɛ wo sɛ Professor Frimpong, Professor Frimpong Boateng was crying. Enra was crying because of Mibisawa. So, where is Professor Frimpong Boateng report? And when you know, we see Charles BCU, KJ Mfua, Ochredakun, Western Regional Minister, Ajapame Samo, their name came in books, in the book of Professor Frimpong Boateng's report. Said they were doing illegal mining, including some NDC officials. Attorney General said, Yoko, and Kofa report to the Samra. Now, after that, the Professor Frimpong Boateng ni Ghana. May that say, yet the Professor Frimpong Boateng ni Ghana. Or you know, because after so ye interministerial committee on illegal mining. Every year, then a report where to Abonteno. I said, I am battling 5 court cases over my Galamsey report, and then Attorney General CN. He gave this report to Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. The then Attorney General Godfred Odame was fighting him. That's if it's never we know to some many uncle. Now me the year reference. I'm a woman. Enra me kaofia said we need to visit Tiebeti to Galamsey Asia. We need to visit Professor Frimpong Boateng's report. The Emadek said Attorney General as I say visited. Or say furthermore, considering the regulatory oversight role of the Mineral Commission, you may invite the Chief Executive Officer of the Commission to assist in the investigation. Very nice. Mabama is some Attorney General because Nipa I was saying the guy friend of many churches. I am the Minerals Commission's boss. Because anything that will happen should be under his watch. At the Minerals Commission boss, you know, only assisting in this investigation. Anything that he knows. I had then an amount for concessions to lands to mine because any mining activities that will go needs to pass through the Mineral Commission's office. So the Minerals Commission boss should assist. Obianka said Mineral Commission boss but he needs to assist us in this investigation. And I think it's a call in the right direction. I know that maybe some Attorney General no. It's a call in the right direction. I know that maybe some Attorney General no. It's the Minerals Commission boss should also assist the government in this investigation. Na entimi MY na bibia nkoso is the Minerals Commission boss no to be assisted the government in this investigation now ebe boye nyina asoman na bibia so atimi akoso ye pa e de amaye asoman na bibia so atimi akoso ye e de amaye asoman e wo ho eti Minerals Commission boss no what we are entreating him and say ono so ba boa in this investigations and things will go peacefully as it needs to go na bibia so atimi akoso ye pa ewa enye asem ketwa eti the Minerals Commission boss should also cooperate na bibia entimi enkoso emaye ewo honom na bibia enkoso fine emaye owie no betre ye o say I trust a Yoko will treat this matter with the urgency and the gravity it deserves in order to uphold the rule of law and ensure the integrity of our extractive government framework. Etobi no beka say ochi yokodi say yoko ebehwa ye adwuma no na wa ye adwuma ni ye say de be ya aman ni hyehyɛ no ɔman ni nkyekire no bibia betibi akoso fine amana boa ye nyina asoman na bibia so atibi akoso ye pa owie na ɔkyerɛ wase your service you are in or say yours in the service of the republic owie ya na ɔde kan ɔde ne signature ebae Dr. Dominic Akrotinga Ayini MP Attorney General and Minister for Justice ono so dia otimi ede bae and on ti enei Attorney General say Galamsey nhwehwemu yen start enimanimu ya yen start na yen start ye enye nhwehwemu no quick one e wo hono ma nipa bia ne ho bom mu bia no yen start ye enhwehwe ne nsemu na bibia so entimi nkoso